Assalamu alaikum. Greetings from Talent Upskill, Class 8, English version, exercise, mathematics, algebra, in fact, exercise 4.2. Number 3 and 4. If a plus b equals to 8 and ab equals to 15, what is the value of a cube plus b cube? And we know formula, and we know there are corollaries about cube. For the corollary, I would use here a cube plus b cube equals to a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. Why I am talking about this particular corollary? Because this has a plus b, this has ab, and all we need is this one, because we can put the value of a plus b and value of ab, and then we can get the value of a cube plus b cube. Okay, let us start. Number 3. Find the value of a cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube equals to, according to this corollary, a cube plus b cube equals to a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b equals to. Now let us put the value of a plus b and ab. Then this is 8 cube minus 3 into 15 into 8, because a plus b equals to 8, equals to, let us write that, putting the value of a plus b and ab equals to 8 into 8 into 8. This is 512 minus 360, 3 into 15 into 8 equals to 360, equals to 152. Let us try right here. 512 and 360. How much? 2, 5, 3 and 1, 4, and 1. 152. So this is the value. This is the answer. Answer 152. Now let us do number 4. Number 4. If x plus y equals to 2, show that x cube plus y cube plus 6xy equals to 8. Here we have to prove the left hand side equals to right hand side. So left hand side, let's take the left hand side. Left hand side equals to x cube plus y cube plus 6xy equals to, I just talked about the corollary, a cube plus b cube equals to a plus b cube minus 3ab into a plus b. Let's put that value for x cube plus y cube. So x plus y whole cube minus 3xy into x plus y. Here, if we consider this a cube plus b cube, then the value as per the corollary, a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b, this is x plus y whole cube minus 3xy into x plus y. And there was another part, plus 6xy. Let us add that, plus 6xy equals to, now we know the value of x plus y, it is 2. So 2 cube minus, let us simplify, 3xy, but we know the value of x plus y, it is 2, so 3xy into 2 plus 6xy equals xy equals to 8 minus 3 into 2, 6 xy plus 6xy plus 6xy, and 6xy gone, 1 minus 1 is plus, so equals to 8. So what we got, the left hand side equals to right hand side, it equals to right hand side equals to right hand side, and proved, actually proved, proved. Thank you everyone. If you have a question, please write it in the comment box. I'll try to answer to your question. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.